If your Facebook account has been hacked or you're trying to get back your account, then this video is for you. Watch from beginning to the end.
Hey your fam, so welcome to this channel, and if you are new to this channel, remember to subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, remember to like, share and comment as always. So your comments are always appreciated and needed for a review, so I know what to do in the next video and so I can also improve. In this video I said I'll be showing you how I got my Facebook account back. So it was hacked from a place in Netherlands. So this is the name of the place. So before I got it back, so the way I got it back was very simple. So the first thing you need to do is when you have an attack or an attack like that, so what you need to do is that you don't remove your Facebook from your app from your phone, sorry. So when you try to log in back, maybe you have to try to regain your account. Sometimes Facebook tell you to log in from a device I've logged in before, so that's why I advise people not to log out. So when you notice that your account is hacked or stuff like that, so don't remove the Facebook, because the Facebook automatically has your login details or and your other informations on it. So when you uninstall it from your phone, so you don't have access to it again. So when my account was hacked, so I got up to like 3 emails at once. So this was the first one. I have to just to let you know that the phone number, this is my phone number, was removed from my Facebook account. So I saw it, I was surprised. It wasn't up to a second or a minute, I got another mail. My email was also removed and this one was added, and also my password was also changed. And if you see the location, this is the location of the place where the activity was taking place, where the attacker was attacking from. So here in Nigeria that day, I was in the morning around 8 a.m. So this was the time the person did the attack. So it got me out of my Facebook account and everything. So I tried getting it back, but it wasn't going. So when I got this mail, I replied using "this wasn't me." I won't be replying because I've gotten it back. This is my Facebook account, is up and running once again, so I've gotten it back. So when I got this mail, I first of all replied this mail. So they will ask you to submit informations to confirm that you are the one who owns the account. So I submitted my passport. In Nigeria we have what we call NIN, that's National Identity Number. So I submitted it also, but it was declined. They said it's either the images are blurred or stuff like that. So that was what Facebook usually tell. So I was unable to get through that method. So but one of the methods that I used for someone helping the person getting his account back was using voter's card. So that was one of the fastest means that you can get your account back using a voter's card. Although I'm up to 18, I'm 20. Although I'm up to 18, so but I haven't bothered getting my voter's card. So I didn't have voter's card. So I replied this wasn't me. So I submitted information that they asked for, but it was all declined. So for almost a week I wasn't able to access it. What I did was that the attacker logged me out from the account, so I reported the account that I wasn't the one who have access to it. So they said they would try to send a login code to this email here, but this wasn't my email. So they sent it, so the person will receive it. So but I wasn't able to get the login code. So what I did was that I reported it up to twice or thrice to make sure the account was locked. So when I reported it, Facebook algorithm had no choice than to log the other new user out. So it was also logged out and the account was down for almost 3 weeks. So no one gained access to it. He wasn't able to access it. I also wasn't able to access it. So then what I did was I remembered that automatically Facebook app and Facebook in the database, so your information is stored there. So I just had to log into the app, and when I logged into the app, I opened my phone and logged in, removed the app. So you will need it later when Facebook tries to confirm that you own the account. Also, one new method you can use to secure your account is using the authenticator app.
To set up your authenticator app is very easy. So all you have to do is to go to Play Store and download it, or you go to your Apple Store if you are using an iPhone or Apple device. Then after you download it, you download one from Google. So after you download it, you go to your Facebook setting, security setting, then you see your authenticator app, then you click on it, then it generates a QR code for you to scan, or a 16 digits number for you to copy and paste to your authenticator app. Then after you pasted it or you scanned it, it generates an 8-digit code for you. So you just copy the code and paste it to your Facebook to connect the two apps together. So anytime your mobile device is offline, or anytime you want to log into your phone, you can just copy the code from the authenticator app and paste it there. So one of the benefits of the authenticator app is that it does not have to be online. So it generates the code automatically by itself, and the code changes every minute or less than that. So very simple to use. So if you know you've learned something from this video, drop a like and a comment, and see you guys in the next video. If you're a new subscriber, remember to subscribe before going. Bye.